The SIBiLS SPARQL endpoint allows to run SPARQL queries on a subset of annotated PMC publications. The textual content and structure of a publication, its title, sections, paragraphs, sentences, etc., is described in the RDF as well as a list of named entities or concepts identified and located in its full text. The ontology used to describe the publication content, structure, and annotations is available in Turtle format, but also in HTML in order to inform users about the semantics of the terms they can use to build their queries and the terms they see in query results. The SIBiLS ontology is built on top of existing standard ontologies such as Fabio, Doco, SCOS, among others. Among the terms defined in the ontology, you can see classes defining different publication types like journal article, editorial, different discourse elements like sentence, paragraph, section, or the different terminologies that are used to annotate the full text of publications. For example, here the open tree of life or mesh terms. The SIBiLS SPARQL service comes with a few sample queries to illustrate what can be done. The first query is very basic. It counts the displays of publication by type. To try it, just copy and paste the query example into the SPARQL endpoint and then click the Execute Query button. As you can see, among the 5,000 PMC publications loaded in the Triple Store, most of them are journal articles, but other types like review articles or brief reports can also be found. The second query example illustrates what we call annotations or named entities and how they relate to publications. To run it, let's copy and paste it into the SPARQL endpoint form and press the Execute Query. We see that each row represents an annotation of the publication chosen in the query. We see that KB, mesh, and gene ontology concept were found as well as others. For each row or each annotation, we can see a concept identifier, the terminology it belongs to, an identifier of the sentence in which it was found, the position in the sentence, and the word or group of words representing the concept in the sentence. Also note that the data model allows us to know in which paragraph and section the sentence is located. The third example here retrieves sentences containing both the occurrence of the mesh concept for the insect tick and the occurrence of any concept of the NCI status, so a disease-related concept. Let's run it now from the SPARQL endpoint form. We see, for example, at this line that the result shows the PMC identifier where a sentence was found, the part of the sentence containing the two concepts, together with their position 10 for encephalitis, and their identifier. The SIBiLS SPARQL Triple Store is still a prototype and only contains a sample of 5,000 publications at the moment, but it will soon be extended and include alternate publication sources like PenSoft, Platzi as well.